How to upload on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can upload on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to upload on SoundCloud, all you have to do is basically go ahead and then launch the SoundCloud application. Remember that if you're using the mobile, I would recommend you download the SoundCloud application and not from your browser. If you're using a laptop, you can do that, but on a mobile phone you have to make sure you download the app. Once you open the SoundCloud app and then you log into your account, if you look at the top right, you'll find the upper arrow button that you can find here. Make sure to tap on that icon, make sure to allow the permissions, and then select the music or the audio file that you would like to upload to SoundCloud. Now you can choose to give it a title of your choice. You can also pick a genre as to what kind of your music is all about. Then you can describe your track if that's up to you. Then you can add a caption to your post, but that is really optional. Now after that, you can choose to make this track public or private. I'm assuming most of you are going to make it public because that's what you're trying to upload for. Then you can tap the save option to save the changes. And that's all it takes to upload on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.